Nandito po kayo sa show namin. Ito po ang guest namin.
I am the main host.
Yes, excuse me.
This is the labunan of the
There is a white lady.
Monkey? Joke.
And there's a monkey in my side.
They will show you how to slice mango.
Mango.
I will teach you how to eat.
We're sorry for the wrong grammar. Gimana pas ginagawa niyo ng kamay?
Magkuha ako naman.
Dito ka kasi. Oh my God.
Para magturong na white pa talaga damit.
You must sweat your face so that
Ano
you
na
can
nagbigay
slice
ka
the
ng
water.
pizza?
Ay,
The water? Slice the water?
There are many green like this. I don't know.
You need to peer.
The cover of the mango.
The cover of the mango.
And then you eat it.
And they eat.
Slice mo na, Bel.
Last one.
Ito pala, oh.
Last one. Eh, Ben, last na to. Hindi ko pa rin ito makain.